Shopify sections can be a great way to add fresh designs to your theme without having to recreate an entire page. In this video, I'm going to show you can create Shopify sections using just AI prompts. That's right. Using the simple AI tool, you can create beautiful looking sections for your storefront in seconds instead of hours with custom code. Want to see how it's done? Let's jump in the video.
To demonstrate how Shogun's AI section builder works, let's plug in a prompt and then select Submit. In the right sidebar, you can see how the AI processes your request in real time. The AI section builder will actually explain each step of its reasoning process for you. If there's any kind of mistake in the end result, you will be able to go back and check the transcript to see what went wrong. Our prompt reads, build a section for my holiday shopping FAQs. It should have a heading with accordions at the top and an image at the bottom. As you can see, we're pretty clear about where we want each element of this section to go. The app is fully capable of following detailed instructions like this, so if you're able to picture the exact section you want in your head, you can just describe it here and then watch the AI section builder bring it to life. And if you're not sure what you want, you could enter in a more general prompt to see what the AI section builder comes up with. This is an effective way to brainstorm, helping you discover ways to improve your store that you wouldn't have thought of otherwise. The AI section builder has wrapped up the process of writing our code for us, and it's now explaining what it made in the right sidebar. Once you see the section validated message, the output will soon appear over here on the left. And right on the first try, this section is fully formed without any errors. But maybe you still want to make some tweaks to it, like changing the design of the headings to match your established brand colors. Details like these are often hard-coded in Shopify themes, which means making changes to them would require you to dig into your theme's CSS file and edit the code manually. But with Shogun's AI section builder, all you need to do is ask. For small changes like this, you'll often find that the AI section builder is able to whip up a solution in just a few seconds. There's no telling how much time this app may be able to save you in the long run. All right, let's see. Those headings look great. That's exactly what we wanted. Let's now click on the config button in the bottom right. Here, you can mess around with the settings of the section to see what it's like when the customization options are used. To demonstrate, we'll select a featured image for this FAQ section. This will give us a better sense of what the section would look like published on a live page. You'll also be able to configure these settings through Shopify's built-in theme editor. These icons at the top of the app allow you to review how your section is displayed on different types of devices. There's the mobile view. Now let's check out the desktop version. Perfect. This looks just like we described in our initial prompt. Clicking on the Add to Theme button would save this section and make it available in Shopify's theme editor. Next, we'll go over how you can save some time by using one of the options available in the section library, which will give you a prompt to start with. There are about 10 options to choose from here. When you select one, you'll then need to specify which theme you want to use. We chose a section that has a side-by-side layout with a heading, description, and button on the right, and then an image carousel on the left. There's also a banner with a countdown timer at the bottom of the section. A design like this would be perfect for whenever you're running a limited time sale. The image carousel will allow you to show off several of the items on sale rather than just one, increasing the odds that a visitor to this page will happen to see an item they're interested in buying. Also, the countdown timer will instill a visceral sense of urgency, further encouraging the visitor to go ahead and click. Overall, this is a fairly complicated request, requiring the AI section builder to put together an interactive element, the carousel, as well as another dynamic element, the countdown clock, along with the more standard heading, description, and button elements. And yet, as you'll see, the AI section builder is able to write all the necessary code and set everything up on its own. A task like this might take hours if you were attempting to do it manually. The AI section builder is essentially a force multiplier, allowing you to get more development tasks done for your Shopify store, test out ideas that you never would have had time for otherwise, and squeeze significantly more value out of your resources and budget. This is what makes the AI section builder such a game changer for smaller stores. Before, time and budget constraints may have forced you to settle for cookie cutter templates rather than developing unique features or setting yourself apart from other stores visually. But now, you have the power to create whatever you want, even if you're the only person behind the scenes of your online storefront. Of course, bigger stores will benefit as well, as this tool can make their existing teams even more productive. While the elements are stacked vertically on the viewport to the left, that's just to make enough room for the editor window. We can click on the desktop preview button to see what the section will actually look like. And there we go. The elements we want on the left and on the right are displayed just like we want it. For this example, let's say we want the section to be about a particular sale that we're running in September. So we'll instruct the AI to change the main heading to reflect that. Again, a small change like this won't take that long at all to be integrated into the output on the left. We'll also need to change the description below the heading to make it specifically about this September sale that we're running. In addition to telling the AI exactly which text to use, you can also instruct it to write the content itself. This all shows just how powerful the AI section builder is. It's easy to create content from scratch with this tool, and if something's not quite right with the output, that's no problem, as it's just as easy to send over some additional instructions and have the output adjusted. All right, that description is now exactly what we need for this particular section. Let's now pop over to the Config tab and adjust some of the settings. First, we'll bring over the 3 images that we want to use in the image carousel. We've already loaded these files into our Shopify media library, so we just need to click on the Choose Image button, find the image we want to use, and then select Done for each one. Okay, that's 2 down. Now let's go ahead and add that last image. The final thing we want to do here is adjust the end date for the countdown timer at the bottom of the section. Our sale runs through the entire month of September, so we'll want to set the end date and time as the last second of the month, just before it turns into October. Now that the design is finished, let's check out the mobile preview. Everything looks good here. And let's check out the desktop preview as well. All right, this is just what we wanted. All the elements are perfectly in place. The countdown timer is counting down to the exact right time, and the image carousel is working beautifully.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Check the description. I'm going to leave a link for Shogun's AI section builder app. It's what I used in this video. If it looks interesting and tool you might want to check out, click the link. We have a free plan, so you can get started building sections and using prompts for free, literally. It's a no-brainer. Give it a shot. Try it out. Also, tell me in the comments what you're excited to build. I want to hear from you. And also, hey, look, give us a like and a subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. It helps us out with our distribution, and you get access to great content about how to optimize your e-commerce storefront. And you'll know the second we publish a video. And until next time, happy selling.